In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Monzo account. First, head over and launch your Monzo app and click on I'm new to Monzo. Here, you will be prompted to type in your email address, then click on the join button. You will then be prompted to verify your account on your email. So open up your email and here, just click on the Login to Monzo app button. Now here, you will be asked or prompted to enter in details about yourself, so make sure that the details you enter matches the photo or valid ID that you will submit later on. And here, click on the next button. Next, you will be asked what's your home address, so just enter in your country. Next is you will be asked about your phone number, so enter in your phone number. Then click on Accept and Continue once done. Next, you will be asked about your social security number, so enter in your 9-digit SSN. Now here, you will be asked about your employment status. Next, you will be asked what's your yearly income before taxes, so just choose from the options, then press Next. Now here, you will be asked what kind of work you do, so just choose from the categories and click on Next. Lastly, you will be asked what will you be using Monzo for? So just choose what is applicable, then click on next. Now here you will be asked to take a photo of your ID. Make sure that your ID hasn't expired, all the details can be seen, and all are vivid and clear. Then proceed by clicking on accept and continue. Choose what kind of ID you would like to use if it's your passport, driver's license, national identity card, or TIE. Next is choose the country of your ID or region. Grant access permissions for the camera for you to be able to take a clear photo of your ID. Then once done, just proceed, of course, by taking a pic of your ID. Now here you will be asked to take a photo just for verification process. So start by clicking on I'm ready. Then here you will be asked to choose a pin for your new card. You're basically done creating your Monzo account from here. All you have to do is wait for 5 minutes up to 48 hours before the verification to be concluded. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!